LG is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called LG Stylo 7, and it is going to be the successor of the LG Stylo 6 that was launched in May last year. Recently, the renders of the upcoming LG Stylo 7 has surfaced online by a popular leakster Steve Hammerstoffer through his blogging platform called Voice. The leak render shows the complete design of the upcoming phone, and according to leaks, the LG Stylo 7 will support a flat screen with minimum bezels on the edges, and it has a hole punch at the top center for selfie camera. The screen is said to measure around 6.8 inch in size. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The volume rockers along with the power button is visible on the left edge, while on the right appears to have an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The bottom of the phone houses a speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack, Type-C port, and a slot for stylus pen. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 170.4 by 77.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and additionally, the phone is also reported to come in both 4G and 5G versions. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG Stylo 7 has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch soon in the coming days. So as of now, that's all we know about the LG Stylo 7 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSoulBlog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.